Welcome to a new age of opportunity where the digital world allows us to create a stream of income right from the comfort of our homes. It's been a journey filled with late nights, a fair share of challenges, and an immense amount of learning. But today, I wake up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars in my affiliate marketing dashboards, a testament to the power of this industry. In this video, I will share the strategy that has allowed me to earn over $3,000 in affiliate marketing commissions in just a week. This method is not only aimed at helping you earn your first $1,000 online, but also at turning this into a long-term sustainable income. Who knows, you might even decide to make this your full-time gig. Before we dive into the details, show some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel. You're about to learn a realistic step-by-step method to start earning passive income with affiliate marketing right away. The first step in this journey is to access affiliate marketing products that we can start earning commissions with. To do this, sign up to an affiliate marketing network such as impact.com. Once you've signed up and logged in, click on Brands and then Find Brands. Make sure you've clicked onto All Brands. Here you'll find a vast selection of brands, all with affiliate programs that you can start promoting via their affiliate links. To retrieve these affiliate links, hover over any brand that you want to promote and click on Join or Apply. Once you're signed up to the affiliate marketing program for the brand you want to promote, click on My Brands, select that brand and click on Create Link. This will give you your affiliate marketing link. And let's take an example of a brand in the software niche which offers a video editing platform that customers can sign up to on a monthly subscription. Suppose a customer clicks on your link and signs up to a pro plan at $40 a month. You'll be paid 30% of that $40 every single month that the customer remains signed up. In this video, we've discussed how to sign up for an affiliate marketing network, choose a brand to promote, and retrieve your affiliate marketing link. We've also discussed how you can earn a recurring commission when a customer signs up for a monthly subscription through your link. Remember, the journey might not always be easy, but with persistence, learning, and the right strategy, you can realistically earn your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing, and even turn this into a long-term sustainable income. Our voiceover. In this next segment, we're going to delve into an essential aspect of affiliate marketing: choosing the right product. This is a crucial step in your journey as the success of your affiliate marketing largely depends on it. Firstly, always try to choose a product that aligns with your interests and expertise. This makes it easier to create engaging content around it, and you'll naturally be more persuasive when recommending it to your audience. For instance, if you're a fitness enthusiast, promoting fitness gear or supplements would be a great fit. Secondly, consider the product's market demand and competition. Use tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner to understand how many people are searching for the product or similar products online. Additionally, consider the level of competition. If there are too many affiliates promoting the same product, it might be harder for you to stand out. Lastly, evaluate the product's commission structure. Some products might offer a high commission rate, but if they're not selling well, you won't make much money. On the other hand, a product with a lower commission rate but high sales volume can bring in a substantial income. Remember, the right product can make or break your affiliate marketing success. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. In the next segment, we'll discuss how to promote your chosen product effectively. Stay tuned. Your voiceover. Now that you've chosen the right product, it's time to establish your online presence, which is akin to setting up your virtual storefront. Firstly, consider setting up a website or blog. This will serve as your primary platform to promote your chosen products. You can create engaging content around these products, such as reviews, how-to guides, or listicles. Remember, your website or blog should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and SEO-friendly to attract and retain visitors. Secondly, harness the power of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest can help you reach a wider audience. You can share your website's content on these platforms or create unique content tailored to each platform's audience. For instance, you could share short product review videos on Instagram or detailed guides on Facebook. Thirdly, consistency is key. Regularly publishing engaging content not only helps attract new visitors, but also promotes loyalty among your existing followers. This could be daily social media posts or weekly blog articles. Consistency also improves your visibility on search engines, leading to more organic traffic. Finally, engage with your audience, respond to their comments, answer their queries, and appreciate their support. This helps build a community around your brand and fosters trust, which can significantly boost your sales. Remember, your online presence is your storefront in affiliate marketing. Make it inviting, engaging, and customer-friendly. In the next segment, we'll delve into how to leverage SEO for affiliate marketing. Stay tuned. Voiceover. Content is indeed king in the digital marketing world, but the queen, undeniably, is SEO, or search engine optimization. It's all about making your content discoverable. So, how do you leverage SEO for affiliate marketing? Firstly, focus on creating valuable and informative content that solves your audience's problems. This could be a detailed product review, a how-to guide, or even a comparison post. The idea is to provide solutions and subtly introduce your affiliate product as the answer. Good content is more likely to rank higher in search engine results, driving more organic traffic to your site. Secondly, incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Stuffing your content with links can negatively impact your SEO ranking. Instead, tactfully place your links within your content where they add value. Thirdly, consistency in content creation and updating is crucial. Search engines favor websites that regularly update their content. So keep your blog posts and product reviews fresh and up to date. Finally, use strategic keywords. These are words or phrases your potential customers are likely to use when searching for the product you're promoting. Use keyword research tools to find these and naturally integrate them into your content. Remember, good content coupled with effective SEO can drive traffic and convert visitors into customers. In our next scene, we'll discuss how to track and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. Stay tuned. The Voiceover. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's the backbone of your success. SEO, as we discussed in the previous scene, plays a pivotal role in driving organic traffic to your site. By optimizing your content with strategic keywords and regularly updating your site, you can rank higher in search engine results and attract more visitors. But organic traffic is just one piece of the puzzle. For immediate traffic, consider paid advertising. Platforms like Google AdWords or social media ads can help you reach a larger audience quickly. Remember, the key is to target your ads effectively to reach people who would be interested in the affiliate products you're promoting. In addition to SEO and paid advertising, don't overlook the power of social media and email marketing. Social media platforms can help you engage with your audience, build trust, and drive traffic to your site. Similarly, by building an email list and sending out regular newsletters, you can keep your audience updated about new products or offers, driving repeat traffic to your site. More traffic means more potential customers and more sales. In conclusion, a balanced approach combining SEO, paid advertising, social media, and email marketing can help you generate traffic and maximize your affiliate marketing earnings. Stay tuned for our concluding scene, where we'll wrap up everything we've learned and provide some final tips for success in affiliate marketing. Voiceover. As we dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing, it's important to recognize that trust and credibility are key to converting visitors into customers. Your audience needs to believe in your recommendations, and that comes from establishing a strong, authentic relationship with them. One of the most effective ways to build trust is by providing honest and unbiased product reviews. People appreciate transparency, and a well-written, objective review can help your audience make informed decisions. This not only positions you as an expert, but also shows your commitment to their best interests. Sharing personal experiences and success stories can also significantly boost your credibility. If you've used a product and found it beneficial, don't hesitate to share your journey. This personal touch can make your content more relatable and convincing. Additionally, offering help and support to your audience can go a long way in establishing trust. Be there to answer their questions, provide guidance, and help them navigate any challenges they might encounter. This shows your audience that you're invested in their success, not just your own. In conclusion, trust and credibility can significantly increase your conversion rates in affiliate marketing. By focusing on these elements, you can foster a loyal audience and generate consistent income from your affiliate marketing efforts. Stay tuned for the final scene, where we'll wrap everything up and provide some actionable tips to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Voiceover. Now that we've built a strong foundation of trust and credibility, let's move on to another crucial aspect of affiliate marketing: tracking and analyzing performance. It's often said that what gets measured gets improved. This couldn't be more true in affiliate marketing. To ensure your marketing efforts are paying off, you need to set up tracking tools. These tools allow you to monitor your traffic and sales, providing valuable insights into how your audience interacts with your content. They can show you which of your strategies are driving the most traffic and conversions and which ones may need some tweaking. Once you have this data, it's time to analyze. Look for patterns, trends, and points of interest. Is there a particular type of content that's performing exceptionally well? Or perhaps a certain product that your audience seems to love? Identifying these winning elements can help you focus your efforts and maximize your earnings. But analysis isn't just about celebrating your successes, it's also about identifying areas for improvement. If a strategy isn't working as expected, don't be afraid to adjust or even discard it. Remember, successful affiliate marketing is all about adaptability and continuous improvement. In conclusion, tracking and analyzing your performance is not just a one-time task, it's an ongoing process that can help you optimize your strategies, improve your results, and ultimately boost your affiliate marketing income. Stay tuned for our final scene, where we'll be wrapping up and providing some actionable tips for your affiliate marketing journey. A voiceover. As we draw closer to the end of our affiliate marketing journey, let's talk about the next big step, scaling your affiliate marketing business. Once you start seeing some traction and success with your affiliate marketing strategies, it's time to think bigger. Firstly, consider expanding to new products and markets. If you've been focusing on a single product or niche, it may be time to diversify. Try finding complementary products or explore new niches that might resonate with your audience. Secondly, your success will allow you to invest in more advanced marketing strategies. You might consider things like running paid advertisements, creating more high-quality content, or even launching a podcast or YouTube channel. Thirdly, as your business grows, you might find it increasingly challenging to manage everything on your own. This is where building a team comes into play. You could hire people to help with content creation, SEO, social media management, and other tasks that will free up your time and let you focus on strategic growth. Remember, the key to turning your affiliate marketing business into a full-time income is scaling. It's about taking what works and doing more of it, while also exploring new opportunities for growth. As we wrap up, stay tuned for our final scene, where we'll provide some actionable tips and key takeaways from our affiliate marketing journey. Voiceover. Every journey has its ups and downs, and affiliate marketing is no exception. In this scene, we'll discuss how to overcome the inevitable challenges and setbacks you'll encounter along the way. Firstly, let's talk about some common challenges in affiliate marketing. These might include dealing with competition, staying up to date with market trends, or maintaining a steady flow of quality content. To navigate these challenges, it's important to stay informed, be adaptable, and always keep your audience's needs at the forefront of your strategy. Secondly, remember that mistakes and failures are not the end, but rather opportunities for learning. Did a marketing campaign not perform as expected? Analyze it, find out what went wrong and how you can improve for next time. Your mistakes are your greatest teachers. Lastly, staying motivated and persistent is key. There will be times when things don't go as planned or when progress seems slow. In these moments, remember your goals and why you started this journey in the first place. Keep pushing forward and understand that every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. In closing, remember that challenges are just opportunities for learning and growth. They are an integral part of your affiliate marketing journey, and overcoming them will only make you stronger and more successful. Stay tuned for our final scene, where we'll wrap up with some key takeaways and actionable tips to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Voiceover. As we approach the end of this course on affiliate marketing, we'd like to congratulate you on the progress you've made. We've covered a lot, from understanding what affiliate marketing is, to developing strategies, choosing the right products, building an online presence, leveraging SEO, and overcoming challenges. Now it's time for you to take the reins. Start by choosing a product or service you're passionate about. Build your online presence around it. Remember, your audience can tell if you genuinely care about what you're promoting. Next, don't forget the importance of SEO. A well-optimized site can draw in traffic, and more traffic usually means more potential customers. And finally, remember that setbacks are just stepping stones on the path to success. Learn from your mistakes, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. We encourage you to take the next step and start your own affiliate marketing journey. And remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community of affiliate marketers out there who are ready to support and collaborate with you. As we wrap up, remember the old saying, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your first step into the world of affiliate marketing could very well be the start of an exciting and profitable journey. So, take that step. Start your journey. And remember, we're here to support you every step of the way.